The automotive industry is on the brink of a paradigm shift, and at the heart of this revolution is Tesla. With its relentless pursuit of innovation and sustainable transportation, Tesla has become synonymous with electric vehicles, or EVs. From the groundbreaking Model S to the versatile Model Y, Tesla has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible in the EV market. Unveiled to much fanfare, the Tesla Model 2 is poised to democratize electric mobility. Buckle up as we delve into the exciting world of the Tesla Model 2 and explore what it means for the future of transportation. Before we dive into the specifics of the Model 2, it's crucial to understand the profound impact Tesla has had on the automotive industry. Tesla shattered misconceptions with its sleek, high-performance EVs that turned heads and challenged the status quo. The Tesla Roadster, the company's debut vehicle, proved that electric cars could be exhilarating to drive, boasting impressive acceleration and a respectable range. The Model S, a luxury sedan, further solidified Tesla's position as a force to be reckoned with, garnering critical acclaim for its elegant design, cutting-edge technology, and impressive performance capabilities. The Model 3, Tesla's most affordable vehicle to date, made electric mobility accessible to a wider audience, proving that sustainability and affordability could go hand in hand. With each new model, Tesla has consistently raised the bar for the entire automotive industry, compelling traditional automakers to accelerate their own EV programs. The Tesla Model 2 enters this legacy as a game-changer in its own right. Designed to be Tesla's most affordable and accessible vehicle yet, the Model 2 targets a segment of the market that has long awaited an EV that meets both their budgetary and lifestyle needs. This isn't just about offering an electric alternative. It's about making electric mobility the new norm. From the moment it was announced, the Model 2 generated significant buzz, with reservations pouring in from eager customers worldwide. The Model 2's arrival comes at a pivotal time for the automotive industry, with governments around the world implementing stricter emissions regulations and consumers becoming increasingly environmentally conscious. The demand for EVs is skyrocketing. By making EVs more accessible to the masses, Tesla aims to drive widespread adoption of electric mobility, ultimately reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and paving the way for a cleaner, greener future. Don't let its compact footprint fool you. The Model 2 is a masterclass in maximizing space and functionality. Tesla's design team has managed to create a surprisingly spacious interior within its small exterior dimensions, ensuring that passengers don't have to compromise on comfort or practicality. The Model 2's exterior design language draws inspiration from its larger siblings, featuring sleek lines, a minimalist aesthetic, and a focus on aerodynamic efficiency. Inside the cabin, the Model 2 continues Tesla's signature minimalist approach. A large central touchscreen dominates the dashboard, providing access to all vehicle controls, infotainment, and navigation. Despite its compact size, the Model 2 offers ample storage space. The rear seats can also be folded down to create even more cargo space, making the Model 2 a surprisingly versatile and practical vehicle for everyday use. The Tesla Model 2 is more than just a car, it's a rolling technological marvel. At its core lies Tesla's proprietary software and hardware, which power its advanced driver assistance systems, infotainment, and over-the-air updates. The Model 2 is a connected car in the truest sense, seamlessly integrating into the digital lives of its users. One of the standout features of the Model 2 is its advanced driver assistance system, known as Autopilot. While not fully autonomous, Autopilot provides a suite of safety and convenience features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The Model 2's infotainment system is equally impressive. The large central touchscreen serves as the command center for all media, navigation, and vehicle settings. Tesla is renowned for its over-the-air software updates, which continuously improve the functionality and performance of its vehicles. At its heart, the Tesla Model 2 is a testament to sustainable transportation. With its all-electric powertrain, the Model 2 produces zero tailpipe emissions, making it a cleaner and more environmentally friendly alternative to gasoline-powered vehicles. As cities around the world grapple with air pollution and climate change, the Model 2 offers a compelling solution for reducing our environmental impact. Tesla is also focused on minimizing the environmental impact of its manufacturing processes. The company is increasingly using sustainable materials in its vehicles and is investing heavily in renewable energy sources to power its factories. The Model 2's environmental credentials are further enhanced by its impressive range. With a single charge, the Model 2 can travel a significant distance, alleviating range anxiety and making it a practical option for both daily commutes and longer journeys. By choosing the Tesla Model 2, drivers are not only opting for a technologically advanced and stylish vehicle, but are also making a conscious decision to reduce their carbon footprint and contribute to a cleaner, more sustainable future. The Model 2 might be the most affordable Tesla yet, but how does it stack up against its siblings? Here's a quick comparison to put things in perspective. The Model S, with its luxury sedan design, offers unparalleled performance and range, making it ideal for those seeking the pinnacle of electric luxury. The Model X, on the other hand, caters to families and those seeking ample space and versatility. The Model 3, previously Tesla's most affordable offering, has been a massive success, demonstrating the strong demand for a more accessible electric sedan. The Model Y, a compact SUV, combines practicality with Tesla's signature performance and technology, making it a popular choice for families on the go. Now, the Model 2 enters the scene, carving out its own niche as the most compact and affordable member of the Tesla family. The Tesla Model 2's arrival comes at a time when the electric vehicle market is experiencing unprecedented growth. Governments worldwide are implementing stricter emissions regulations, incentivizing the adoption of EVs, and investing heavily in charging infrastructure. Consumers, too, are becoming increasingly aware of the environmental impact of their transportation choices, driving demand for cleaner and more sustainable alternatives. The advancement in battery technology has also played a pivotal role in the EV revolution. Batteries are becoming more energy-dense, allowing EVs to travel farther on a single charge. As battery technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even longer ranges, shorter charging times, and more affordable EVs in the near future. The rise of autonomous driving technology also bodes well for the future of EVs. The future of transportation is electric, and the Tesla Model 2 is at the forefront of this revolution. Tesla's vision extends beyond simply building and selling electric vehicles. The company aims to create a sustainable energy ecosystem that encompasses electric vehicles, renewable energy generation, and energy storage solutions. Tesla's supercharger network, for instance, is the world's largest and most advanced fast-charging network, providing convenient and reliable charging options for Tesla owners on the go. Tesla's energy storage solutions, such as the Powerwall and PowerPack, are designed to store energy generated from solar panels and other renewable sources, allowing homes, businesses, and even entire grids to reduce their reliance on fossil fuels. The Model 2 is an integral part of this vision. By making electric mobility more accessible, Tesla aims to accelerate the adoption of EVs, which in turn will drive demand for renewable energy and energy storage solutions. This virtuous cycle will ultimately lead to a cleaner, more sustainable energy future for all. With the Model 2, Tesla is once again poised to disrupt the automotive industry and shape the future of mobility.